Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Law's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to deep fry banana. Okay? I'm gonna go ahead and start peel banana. Nice, huh? You know, the reason I picked the yellow one, I'm not gonna put sugar or anything. I want the natural sweet, okay? That's the reason I picked the yellow. But some people like it more like the green one. But this kind of banana, they're not soft. So even the yellow, they still, tough, The banana, you want to put on a towel, and then your knife have to be wet a little bit with the water, okay? And then slide. If you have the same knife like I do, see that's perfect size like that, see? And keep slide. That's how you slide it, okay? And when you get banana build up in your knife, you go ahead rinse with a nice cold water. You need quite a little bit of oil there, okay? I use a vegetable oil. Wait. You want to move them around, make sure they not stick together. See, when they almost finish, they don't have that much bubble from the oil. Okay. And I slide them pretty thin, so this is just right. Okay. This is cái này nữa. Cái mặt quay. When I fry banana, I don't take the green one, and see it's like no sugar, nothing, but it's really perfect and really sweet, okay? I might take to the movie theater with me. You think they'll let me get in with this? Just kidding. At home, watch movie, eat banana, fried banana. So ลองเห็ดหมดเลยง่ายๆกรอบหลายอันนี้ this one the sweet อันนี้ก็แซ่บมันหวานปังเหลืองค่ะกินกับน้ำมะพร้าวสดแสบมีแหงอยู่เท็กซัสเขาก็มีมะพร้าวสดให้กินคือกันลองเฮ็ดเบิ่งเด้อ Well, thank you guys for watching, okay? And try to cook all the food that I make tonight. It's really nice and easy, simple to cook. Alright? We'll see you guys next time, okay? ลาก่อน Bye bye! See you next time.